Bluetooth connected.
Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. So, our friends at Gravastar reached out to me asking to review their Mars Pro Bluetooth speaker. And honestly, the design was the first thing to grab my attention, as it's like nothing I've seen, so I decided to review and test their product. Now what we have here is the smaller Venus Bluetooth speaker and two of Gravastar's Mars Pro Special Edition Bluetooth speakers. As you can see, all of Gravastar's products come in these beautifully designed boxes whose design corresponds with the actual speaker style. So first we have the Mars Pro Aurochs Special Edition. This model comes with a set of customizable accessories like detachable horns that adds to the uniqueness of the product. We also get a high-quality Type-C aux cable, Type-C charging cable and a set of detachable horns. And there we have the Gravastar Mars Pro speaker itself. The first thing you notice is how solid and robust the speaker feels. It weighs around 2.5 kilograms and the outer shell is made of zinc alloy. This not only ensures that the speaker can absorb minor shocks, but also allows the sound waves to resonate within its space, resulting in a deeper bass and accurate mid-tones. At the back we have a 1-inch high-frequency tweeter, and at the front we have a full-range 2.5-inch speaker and a maximum of 20-watt output. Another really cool feature are the 3 adjustable legs. They also feel really solid, so you don't have to worry about your speaker wobbling around even during max volume. Now let's take a look at the control buttons. From right to left we have the Bluetooth button, on and off button that also doubles as a pulse button, and the light control switch.
Ready to pair.
Once we turn on the speaker, we can see the LED light accents that further complement the product's futuristic design. With the light switch, you can cycle through 6 different colors or double press it to switch to gradient mode. I know you now all wonder about the battery life. At 65% volume we get around 15 hours of playtime, which is more than enough. I've been using the speakers for at least 2 hours a day for the past week and I still haven't drained the battery completely. Now let's actually connect the speaker and test how it really sounds.
Bluetooth connected.
On top of the Mars Pro speaker we have the touch-sensitive volume control. And thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, we are able to set up 2 speakers for even more powerful and immersive audio experience. During the years I found dozens of speakers and headphones, and I must admit that Gravastar's Mars Pro is certainly the best sounding product I've used. It has a rich and deep bass and lower tones without sounding too muffled. The overall design and style is also something you definitely won't find on the shelves of your local store, so the Mars Pro speaker will definitely complement the look of your home entertainment or gaming setup. And last but not least, if you're looking for a more compact Bluetooth speaker, you could also purchase the Gravastar Venus speaker. Here we have the Aurora Green model, which, just like the Mars Pro, has a zinc alloy outer shell, and for its size it surely packs some powerful sound. It also has RGB lighting and uses Bluetooth 5.0. Along with the Aurochs model, Gravastar also offers many different designs for the Mars Pro. They also sent the Aquarius Special Edition, which is one of their newest models. As you can see, its design is reference to the Eastern culture with beautiful handmade decorations. Again, we have the same impressive dual speaker setup encased in a solid zinc alloy body. So that's it for this video, guys. Overall, I'm really happy with the sound quality of the Mars Pro and Venus speakers, and I can definitely recommend them. You can find links to Gravastar store in the video description, so be sure to check out their products. Hope you liked the video and see you guys in the next episode.